Our stint in Ella was short but packed with unique experiences, from the daring train ride hanging off the rails to a traditional cooking extravaganza with Priya. And let's not forget the breathtaking hikes to Little Adams Peak and the Nine Arches Bridge. The train journey from Kandy to Ella stole the spotlight of our Sri Lanka adventure. Securing first-class seats for a 6.5-hour ride at 8,000 rupees for both of us was a win. The ride was not only comfortable and clean but also an absolute blast. The soothing scenery was the perfect backdrop, and hanging off the train made it an unforgettable thrill. MCH delved into a traditional cooking class, investing 3,000 rupees with no hidden fees. MCH being a devoted foodie and home chef, she really enjoyed the culinary joyride and if offered a unique cultural experience that you can't replicate elsewhere. Our hikes to Little Adams Peak and the Nine Arches Bridge were not just easy but conveniently close to the center. Leech anxiety tried to creep in, but with simple precautions, we emerged unscathed. The fear of leeches couldn't steal the thunder from these fantastic hikes.